Today we're going to go over the programming of a Sigma spectrum pump in basic mode. We'll start with a normal saline infusion. Now the drip set that we are going to spike the bag with is specific to the pump. The main difference is the small blue clamp. Now two ways to turn on the pump. We can either hit the on-off button, or you can take the clamp and insert it to the top here, which opens the door and turns on the pump. Now, this comes up, we're going to load the tubing in. So we've already pushed the clamp in here. We're going to go to 2, push that in, and then 3 and 4, right there. And close the door. So now it's asking if this is a new patient. Yes. So in this section, since we're running in basic mode, we're going to hit basic. Primary bag. Okay. Since we're running normal saline, we'll do mLs per hour. Okay. Set our rate at, let's say, 150. Volume to be infused, 500 mLs. Just going to take 3 hours and 20 minutes. This down here, I'll show you how much volume that you've given so far. So now to get the pump started, we need to release the clamp here. Simply pull it out, releasing the tubing. To start the pump, we're going to hit run. So it's going to show you right on the screen, you're running at 150 ml per hour. Now we'll go over some of the other medications we can give, starting with dopamine. So we're going to spike the bag and prime the set, as we showed before with the normal saline. Loading the tubing. And from this screen here, we're going to hit basic. Primary bag, okay. So dopamine is going to be micrograms per kilogram per minute. So scroll through till we find micrograms per kilogram per minute. Hit OK. Now we're going to enter our concentration. So our concentration is in milligrams. OK. 400 in 250 mLs. OK. Weight in kilograms, we'll go with 100. Okay. Dose, start with 5. Automatically calculates your rate at 18.8 mLs per hour. So volume to be infused, go with 100. So this is going to take 5 hours and 20 minutes to complete. So now the pump is stopped. Push run to start. Now check flow. All clamps are open, tubing is not kinked, drops are flowing. Yes. Alright. Now it's going to cycle through on the screen and show us what our settings are at. So 5 micrograms per kilogram per minute, which is a rate of 18.8 mLs per hour. Now to stop an infusion, simply hit run stop. Pump stopped. We can clear the program. Yes, brings us back to this screen. Now let's program Lidocaine. Basic mode, primary bag. Lidocaine is going to be milligrams per minute. Okay, now we have to enter our concentration, which is in grams, which we have 2 grams. In 500 mLs. Okay, we'll do dose of 2 milligrams per minute, which gives us a rate of 30 per hour. Volume to be infused, go with 100, which is going to put us at 3 hours and 20 minutes. So the pump is ready, and primary infusing. Let's see, 30 mLs per hour, 2 milligrams per minute. You're done. Now we can go over everyone's favorite Levophed, which comes unmixed with a 500 ml bag of 5% dextrose and a 4 milligram in 4 ml ampule. So, basic mode, primary bag. Now our concentration, or rather our mode, is going to be micrograms per minute. Concentration of our bag is going to be in milligrams. It's going to be 4 milligrams. If you want to get picky, it's going to be 504 mLs, unless you pulled out the 4 mLs, which it had. So our dose, we'll start with 5. Volume 100. And run. 5 mics per minute, which is 37.8 mLs per hour. So now if we want to adjust that, go to titrate. Okay. So we'll change it to 6. Now we're at 6. Change it to 10. Now we're at 10. That easy. Now mag sulfate. Let's see, for seizures, 4 grams, slow IV push over 5 minutes. It is supplied 4 grams in 100 mLs. So this actually maxes out the rate for the pump. The best we can do is 6 minutes, which is close. Let's see, primary bag, mLs per hour, rate of 999 mLs per hour, which is the max for the pump. Volume to be infused is 100. And start. And it's just going to go to town.